were approached, I believe it was a year ago, for design build on this project. And I think it did start out bigger, and we value engineered it and got it to where the owner was satisfied with the size and occupancy. And within 3 or 4 months of starting design build, we broke ground. We're at Access Inn. It's a 40-bedroom hotel, and it is rented out for private events and weddings. This project entailed a large scope of work in a short amount of time. The difficulty of getting all these trades to work together in that time frame. It wasn't just one contractor in the building at a time. It was 50 contractors in the building at a time. And you've seen the parking lot. There was cars from here to the road for the entire job. I think just pulling off a gravel road and pulling up to this hotel is pretty impressive. I mean, it's back in the trees, you don't see it. It sits right above a beautiful pond, and everything that you see outside was already here. All the rocks that build the retaining wall, that's what I dug out when I dug the footings. So none of that was brought in. And I think we actually hauled out probably 100 loads of that. I think it's just pretty awe-inspiring to pull up here and see it. These are the things that Koehn takes into account when designing a building, with the utilities, direction of the building, orientation of the road. A network like ours with contractors, we put time constraints on this project. So we told them it had to be done in 6 months, and that included weekends and overtime and expedited charges on materials. So having the relationship, knowing our background, knowing their background, allowed us to work together. And that's why you hire a general contractor like Koehn. I think walking through the front doors and knowing that it's named the Access Inn and seeing the Access deer on the walls, and I think if you're a nature lover, you would enjoy the entire property, just all the views, especially this time of year being fall.